Today I'm going to be showing you how to manage your Conversations tab in the dashboard. So first off, we need to go to the Conversations tab on the left-hand side over here. Click that. This is where all your conversations will show up. Text messages, emails, and even phone calls will show up under each contact in here. Up here, this is where all your unread messages will go. This is where your recent messages will be. And then you can go to all and you'll see all messages here. So once you read a message and you don't want to reply, but you need to mark it as read, up here is how you mark as read and unread, so you know you've already looked at it. Down here you can send a text message back to them, or you can send an email. Over here on the right hand side you have their contact information, their name, phone number, email, and this is also where you can add special tags for each person. If you want to tag them with something special, right there, that is where you do that. Type in whatever, press enter, and it has been added as a tag. To create a new opportunity, if someone calls in and their phone call is under here and you need to move them to a different pipeline, you go there, create opportunity, select where you want them to be, open, you can enter their value and click add, and that creates an opportunity in opportunities. You can also book an appointment. If you are using this feature of Justine, that is how you do that. We'll have other videos showing you exactly how to use the appointment booking and the calendar system in the dashboard. But for now, that is a brief overview of how to manage your Conversations tab. You're going to be spending a lot of time in this tab, so try your best to get to know it.